We'll guide you through how to create videos using the ChatGPT Video Maker. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT Video Maker website. You'll need to sign in or create an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. Look for the Create New Video button, usually located at the top or in the center of the page. Click on it to start a new project. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a template or start from scratch. Selecting a template can save you time and give your video a professional look. After selecting a template, you'll enter the video editor. Here, you can add text, images, or video clips by dragging them onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. You can also adjust the duration of each element by clicking and dragging its edge on the timeline. If you want to add voiceover or background music, look for the Audio tab. Here, you can upload your own audio files or choose from a library of free music and sound effects. Remember to preview your video by clicking the play button in the editor. This lets you see how everything comes together before finalizing it. Once you're satisfied with your video, click on the Export button. You'll have options to choose the video quality and format. After your video is exported, you can download it directly to your computer or share it on social media platforms. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.